This is one of the most capable machines on this floor, and it was built by a company you've probably never heard of.
And we've got a lot of other equipment from companies that are significantly larger than Develop, and none of them are anywhere near where this is.
6 months ago, it landed on Inland's packaging floor, and this is what it can do. Meet 1701, a fully custom end-of-line robotic cell built by Develop to package and palletize finished product as it comes off the line. Inland's floor had no room for a standard machine, so Develop built to the inch, a custom footprint, but not custom complexity, because it all runs on one screen.
Somebody high confidence would tell you that they're done being trained in 2 hours. Part of what makes that training curve so short is the visuals are built into the HMI. I think our night shift operators on the first night got 2 to 3 hours of training, and they ran it the rest of the night themselves. Yeah.
Easy to run only matters if it actually runs. 1701 sits at the end of the production line with no buffer behind it, so when it stops, everything upstream stops with it. Reliability wasn't a feature here, it was the whole job.
And we had a goal when we started out of 30 minutes of extra downtime or under. We flew by that goal a long time ago. It's well built, it's robust.
And built close to home. Most of the equipment in this industry ships from overseas. 1701 was engineered and built in Wisconsin by a team in the same time zone as the floor it runs on.
Develop shares the same waking hours and resting hours as us, right? We're not trying to schedule a remote connection at 3 a.m. because somebody else is time zones away.
It's part of why Develop exists, to bring American manufacturing back, one machine at a time. By 6 months, Inland had hit every goal it set. Then something unusual happened. Most machines are at their best on day 1 and slowly degrade. This one got faster.
We're 6 months in and we've already exceeded our expectations. The goal of the machine was to be able to run the line with 1 person instead of 2. We met that goal early on. The other goal was percentage of uptime that we wanted to maintain, and we met that goal long ago. In my typical fashion, if I reach the goal posts, that was great. Let's set them back a little farther and see how good we can do.
Develop engineers stayed in it, tuning the cell after install to pull more out of it.
Cycle time target for this when we started was 4.5 seconds. I can tell you we're at 4.2 now, and we're gonna be at 4 or pretty close.
And well, it's earned its keep beyond the numbers.
It's the first stop on every tour when we're bringing customers through, or vendors, or even new employees. It's the cool thing that everybody wants to see.
This is the work it replaced. Done by hand, 2 people to a line. Honest work, but too slow and too heavy to scale when the labor isn't there. Now it runs with 1. The other is free to staff the growth Inland couldn't reach before. Not fewer people, but more capacity from the same team.
We're able to do 1 line with 1 person now. Before it was 2 people. And now we're able to run that line that much more often. That's 1 less position that we have to try to fill. And it's that many more labels we can get out the door, which leads to our customers being satisfied and us able to grow.
And there was one payoff the spec sheet never promised. With the robot doing the heavy lifting, the line operator stopped getting pulled away to help.
The machine operator was having to come help palletize because the boxes are heavy and the shifts are long. And if we're working on a line together and I see you and you're getting behind and you're lugging boxes all day, what kind of person am I if I don't go down and help you if I've got the time to help? I didn't understand how much of the percentage of time that the line operator would have freed up, just because they don't got to go help the robot, right? They don't feel guilty if they see a yellow robot palletizing boxes all day.
Develop engineers came back to a machine they'd already delivered. It made it faster, twice, with a 3rd change still coming. That isn't a service call. To Develop, the job doesn't end at install. They become an extension of your team. And the clearest proof is what happens when something goes wrong.
We had a fitting get stripped out, and I got a hold of our project manager at DEVELOP late in the day on a Thursday. I said, we've got it temporarily working, but how fast can you get this for me? The part was on our doorstep on Monday morning. The other situation I can walk you through is we had a self-induced technical problem, and within 2 hours we had 3 people from DEVELOP on a Teams call with us, helping us work through that. And the fact that 3 people were able to drop what they had planned and what they were working on that day and be on a call with us, that said something to me about the partnership.
6 months of proof on the floor and behind it. So the only question left is the one every manufacturer asks. Was it worth it?
Yeah, I would 100% work with DEVELOP again. There's a comfort level. We know it's a partner that we can work with. They delivered what was promised, right? And that's if you can deliver on that and meet expectations, that's a lot right there.
One machine, every goal beaten, and a cell that keeps getting faster, running itself on a Wisconsin floor. The kind of team the Giants can't compete with, and it's built by a company you've probably never heard of. Until now.